Bad posture doesn't just make you look worse, it makes you look weaker, feel tighter, move worse, even appear less confident. And the worst part, most people don't even realize how bad their posture has become. What bad posture actually is. Rounded shoulders. This is the most common issue. Your shoulders roll forward because chest becomes tight, upper back becomes weak. This instantly makes your physique look narrower and weaker. Forward head, or your neck shifts forward from constantly looking down. Phones, laptops, screens. Over time, this destroys alignment. Posture isn't just upper body. Weak core and glutes make your body unstable, and instability creates bad positioning. Why bad posture matters? You look smaller. Bad posture hides your physique. Even muscular people can look average with rounded posture. Less confidence. People instantly judge posture. Good posture is equal to stronger presence. Poor posture can lead to neck pain, shoulder pain, lower back pain, because your body is compensating constantly. So let's begin. Step 1. Stretch what's tight. Chest stretch. Tight chest muscles pull shoulders forward. Use doorway stretch. Open chest fully. Hold 30 to 60 seconds. Neck stretch. Stretch front and side of neck gently. No aggressive movements. Hip flexor stretch. Sitting tightens hips. Tight hips tilt posture badly. Step 2. Strengthen what's weak. Face pulls. One of the best posture exercises. Rear delts, upper back, external rotators, all crucial for posture. Rows. Rows teach your shoulders to stay back. Pull elbows behind body. Squeeze shoulder blades. Rear delt flies. Most people ignore rear delts. That's why shoulders round forward. Planks. Core stability helps posture tremendously. Weak core is equal to collapsing posture. Glute bridges. Strong glutes stabilize hips and pelvis. Fix your daily habits. Stop looking down constantly. Raise your phone higher. Simple, but effective. Don't sit for hours. Stand up regularly. Move, stretch. Learn neutral spine. Your body should feel stacked. Head over shoulders, shoulders over hips, not curved forward. So if you're going to the gym, then here are some gym exercises that help correct posture. Pull-ups. Strengthen upper back and lats. Romanian deadlifts. Teach hip positioning and spinal control. Farmer carries. Amazing for core stability, upright posture. Overhead carries. Force proper alignment. Mistakes that can ruin your progress. Trying to force good posture. You can't manually hold posture forever. You need stronger supporting muscles. Only stretching. Stretching alone won't fix weakness. Ignoring upper back. Huge mistake. Your upper back controls shoulder position. You can feel improvement in 2 to 3 weeks. Visible changes? Usually 2 to 3 months of consistency. Depends on severity, habits, training consistency. Good posture changes everything. You look stronger, feel more athletic, move better, appear more confident. And the crazy part? Most people never fix it. Fix your posture, and your entire physique changes. Not because you gain muscle overnight, but because your body finally looks the way it's supposed to. Subscribe to Major Muscles.